Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin pie from canned pumpkin puree. First, gather your essential ingredients for a delicious dessert. You will need one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 2 large eggs. Also, have your granulated sugar, brown sugar, and a blend of warm spices ready. Don't forget a 9-inch unbaked pie crust. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's create that rich, creamy filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine the entire can of pumpkin puree, the evaporated milk, and the 2 eggs. Whisk these together until they are well blended. Next, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. Mix until smooth. With your filling perfectly mixed, it's time to prepare for baking. Carefully pour the pumpkin mixture into your 9-inch unbaked pie crust. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any potential spills. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 35 to 45 more minutes. The pie is done when a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once your pumpkin pie is baked to perfection, the final steps ensure maximum enjoyment. Remove the pie from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This allows the filling to fully set. For the best texture and flavor, chill the pie in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. When ready, slice into generous portions. It's absolutely delicious served with a dollop of fresh whipped cream or a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.